In Indian economy, we are going to discuss about stages of growth. Okay, so in the previous class, we already discussed about different types of sectors. Okay, so basically, there are three main sectors: primary sector, secondary sector, tertiary sector. Okay, so primary sector means agrarian economy. Okay, it means exploiting natural resources. Okay, by using the exploiting natural resources, so there are some economic activities. Okay, so these economic activities comes under the primary sector, and the second sector is secondary sector, that is industrial economy. Okay, so here the economic activities under the raw materials extracted out of the primary sector. Okay, especially this is manufacturing sector. Okay, so next tertiary sector means service economy. There are some services which are included in the tertiary sector. Okay, so in this class we are going to discuss about the growth. Okay, so there are some stages in the growth of an economy, okay, through the main three sectors. Okay, so the theory was proposed by W. Rostow in 1960. Okay, so according to his views, there are five linear stages. Okay, it means within the growth there are some five stages. Okay, so according to W. Rostow, there are five stages through the main three sectors. Okay, so those three sectors are agriculture, industry, services. It means three sectors: primary sector, secondary sector, and tertiary sector. Okay, so by using the five stages, we can increase our growth through the main three sectors. Okay, so but several countries exceptions to this standard pattern, because for example India and Southeast Asian countries. Southeast Asian countries means Indonesia, Philippines, Thailand, Vietnam. Okay, so these countries are transformed from agrarian economy to the service economy. It means without expansion of industrial economy. So there is no much expansion in the industrial economy, but they converted from agrarian economy to the service economy. But according to the W. Rostow, he proposed one theory, so that is which says about there are five linear stages for the growth in the economy through the main three sectors: agriculture, industry, services. It means we are transforming from one sector to the another sector by five stages. But example India and Southeast Asian countries, these are the exceptions to the standard pattern, because these countries are transformed from agrarian economy to the directly service economy, because there is no much expansion in the industrial economy. Okay, okay, so coming to the economic systems, so there is a big question in the society, that is who will invest. Okay, so for production we can produce anything, we can manufacture any goods, but who can produce, who can make? It means who can invest on the production process. So this is a big question in the society. Okay, it means who will invest and why they will invest. Okay, so in this process of challenge, different types of economic systems and different types of organizations are there. Okay, it means who will invest? Actually this is a big question in the society whenever comes to the production. Okay, so if the production is increasing, it means the growth of an economy is increasing. Okay, so whenever comes to the growth, who will invest the money on the production process? Okay, so on this challenge, the different types of the economic systems were evolved. Okay, for example there are three main and major economic systems. Okay, so there are three main economic systems which are going in the society. Okay, so mostly the countries adopted these three economic systems. So basically human life depends on the use of the certain things. It means goods and services. Basically human life is depends on the goods and services. So in that time consumption also is increases. It means we are consume some important and essential elements, that is food, water, shelter, clothes. So these are the basic facilities for humans. So that's why if anyone is producing a good, it means we are also consume those goods, because these are the essential elements to the human bodies. Okay, so for the survival we are consume food, water, shelter, clothes by using the consumption. Okay, so that's why this is the first challenge. It means these are very essential elements to the human body. And next one is the second challenge is these things need to be created. Okay, so first challenge is these things need to be created. Okay, so one should create these things for the consumption. Second one is need to supply, not only production, not only producing, not only making, who will supply. Okay, and how to supply. Okay, so these two important challenges are going in the society. So in the next class we will see about the important economic systems. Okay.